beginning of a remarkable industrial journey. Beneath these vast, sun-drenched fields, nature has spent months nurturing the finest sweet potatoes, now ready for harvest. As the morning mist clears, heavy machinery arrives to begin the symphony. These mechanical giants are designed to handle the earth with both incredible power and surprising delicacy. Watch closely as the sharp blades of the harvester penetrate the soil. In one fluid motion, the earth is turned over, revealing the vibrant treasures hidden just beneath. The harvest is immediate and efficient. A rhythmic vibration shakes away the excess soil, ensuring that only the best produce continues its journey toward the modern processing facility. A steady stream of purple and gold flows into the transport lanes. This is the first step of the transformation that will turn these humble tubers into crispy snacks. Modern agriculture is a ballet of steel and soil. Across hundreds of acres, these machines work in perfect harmony to gather the bounty before the daylight begins to fade. Precision is key, even in the mud. Advanced GPS technology and real-time data monitoring guide every movement, ensuring that not a single sweet potato is left behind today. The texture of the harvest is palpable. Every bump and vibration serves a purpose, beginning the cleaning process long before the crop even reaches the factory gates for processing. With the containers filled to the brim, the convoy begins its trek. The journey from the quiet, natural field to the high-tech industrial world is about to accelerate rapidly. The gates of the facility swing open, marking the transition from nature to technology. Here, the raw materials will encounter a world of stainless steel and automated precision. Gravity takes over as the cargo is unloaded. The mountain of sweet potatoes cascades into the intake system, ready to be scrubbed, sliced, cooked to crunchy, golden perfection. The scale of production is immense. Each tuber is a vital component in a grand sequence, moving through a system designed to handle thousands of kilograms every single hour. Smart sensors monitor the intake, balancing the flow of raw materials. This ensures the factory operates at peak efficiency, maintaining the delicate rhythm of the entire snack production. Quality control starts the moment they arrive. Advanced optical scanners inspect every inch of the skin, identifying the prime candidates that meet the rigorous standards for our premium snacks. The first phase of the symphony is complete. We leave the sun and soil behind, entering the sterile, high-speed environment where the real magic of food engineering truly begins. Phase 2 begins with a dramatic purification. A torrential waterfall of recycled water greets the sweet potatoes, washing away the remnants of the earth in a spectacular liquid display. Precision nozzles deliver high-pressure jets, targeting every crevice of the tuber. The force of the water is calculated to clean deeply without damaging the delicate flesh of the potato. In the immersion tanks, a gentle whirlpool effect ensures a thorough soak. Bubbles rise from the bottom, agitating the water to loosen even the most stubborn particles of farm soil. Submerged in clarity, the true colors of the harvest begin to shine. This deep cleaning process is essential for maintaining the pure, natural flavor of the snack we are creating. Soft but firm brushes take over the task of polishing. As the potatoes roll through the rotating drum, any remaining imperfections are buffed away, leaving a smooth and pristine surface. The line moves with relentless speed. This continuous cleaning cycle ensures that no impurities enter the sterile processing zones, keeping our commitment to food safety and high-quality standards. Every potato is examined from every possible angle. The rotating rollers expose the entire surface area, allowing the automated vision systems to detect any flaws that might compromise the batch. A final rinse with ozonated water provides a deep antimicrobial treatment. This invisible layer of protection ensures the highest level of hygiene before the potatoes move to the peeling stage. Sudden bursts of high-temperature steam flash broil the outer surface. This innovative technique loosens the thin peel instantly, allowing for a clean removal while preserving the nutrient-rich flesh underneath. Centrifugal force does the heavy lifting here. The loosened skins are whisked away in a blink of an eye, revealing the stunning, vibrant colors of the sweet potato heart within. Now, stripped of their earthy shells, the sweet potatoes look like polished jewels. They glide along the white conveyor, glowing with a natural radiance that promises a delicious end result. Robotic precision intervenes to ensure uniformity. Any potato that doesn't fit the ideal size profile is gently redirected, ensuring only perfectly sized tubers proceed to the high-speed slicing units. Preliminary cutting prepares the larger tubers for the main event. The internal structure is revealed, showing the dense, starch-filled fibers that will soon become light, crispy, and irresistible snacks. The scale of the facility is breathtaking. The symphony of silver and chrome works tirelessly, processing tons of produce with a level of cleanliness that rivals a high-tech medical laboratory. Sustainability is woven into the process. Advanced filtration systems recycle every drop of water, ensuring that our production remains as environmentally friendly as it is technologically advanced and efficient. A brief stay in a temperature-controlled bath optimizes the internal chemistry. This stabilization stage is the secret to achieving that perfect crunch and consistent golden color after the frying process. Nothing is left to chance. Laser sensors measure density and moisture content in milliseconds, adjusting the downstream machines to compensate for any natural variations in the raw sweet potato crumb. The preparation is complete, clean, peeled, and perfectly tempered. The sweet potatoes ascend toward the heart of the factory, where they will encounter the blades of the high-speed slicers. They enter the vortex of the machine. Inside this chamber, time is measured in milliseconds. The physical form of the potato will be altered forever by engineering excellence. Welcome to the dance of the blades. Spinning at incredible speeds, these surgical-grade stainless steel cutters are the maestros of this mechanical orchestra, delivering cuts of absolute precision. The impact is instantaneous. A solid tuber meets the edge and bursts into a cloud of uniform slices, each one identical in thickness to the one that came before. Floating for a moment in the air, the slices reveal their beauty. Each one is a perfect cross-section of nature, prepared by technology to offer the ultimate snacking experience possible. They descend into a cold water flume, a necessary bath to remove excess surface starch. This step is critical. Without it, the slices would stick together during the cooking process. Continuous turbulence in the flume keeps every slice separated. The motion is chaotic yet controlled, ensuring that every square millimeter of surface area is thoroughly rinsed by the rushing water. Rising from the water, the slices are spread across a wide mesh belt. A gentle but high-frequency vibration ensures they don't clump, creating a single layer of potential crunchiness. Powerful air knives slice through the surface tension. A focused curtain of air strips away every bead of moisture, drying the slices instantly to prepare them for the hot oil bath. The slices are now incredibly light. By removing the surface water, we ensure that the frying process will be efficient, resulting in a chip that is crisp rather than oily. The scale of the drying line is impressive. Thousands of slices per second pass through this wind tunnel, each one being meticulously prepared for the most important part of its transformation. Artificial intelligence never sleeps. High-speed cameras analyze the shape and integrity of every slice, instantly rejecting anything that doesn't meet our standard for a perfect, full snack chip. Sustainability means using every part of the harvest. Slices that aren't aesthetically perfect are diverted to become high-quality sweet potato flour, maintaining our commitment to zero-waste production principles. The air begins to shimmer with heat. The slices approach the threshold of the fryer, where high-temperature engineering will turn these soft potato discs into the golden snacks we love. The contact is explosive. As the slices plunge into the boiling oil, moisture is instantly converted to steam, creating a bubbling frenzy that signals the birth of the crunch. Beneath the surface, a golden alchemy takes place. Each slice is enveloped in a jacket of heat, rapidly cooking the starch into a crisp, stable structure that locks in flavor. The transformation is visual and rapid. Watch as the colors deepen and intensify, the natural sugars in the sweet potato caramelizing to create that signature sweet and savory flavor profile. Our continuous frying system is a marvel of efficiency. The oil is kept at a precise temperature and constantly filtered, ensuring every single chip is cooked in the freshest environment possible. Timing is everything in the world of snacks. Rotating paddles guide the chips through the fryer with millisecond precision, ensuring they emerge neither undercooked nor overdone, but always just right. As they emerge from their golden bath, the chips are already crisp. The inclined conveyor allows any excess oil to drain away, leaving behind only the perfect amount of flavor and texture. We take health seriously. Advanced de-oiling technology further reduces the fat content, ensuring that our sweet potato snacks are as light on the palate as they are delicious to eat. The cooling process is vital for the final texture. As the chips lose their residual heat, the structure sets, reaching its peak level of brittleness and that satisfying, world-class snap. Science defines the perfect crunch. We use acoustic and mechanical testing to verify the crispness of every batch, ensuring that the sound of the snap is music to your ears. A river of gold flows before us. Thousands of perfectly fried chips move toward the next stage of their journey, ready to be dressed in a symphony of delicious seasonings. The flavor laboratory is where personality is added. These massive rotating drums are the vessels where our secret spice blends will meet the freshly cooked sweet potato chips. A fine mist of seasoning descends like colorful snow. Using electrostatic technology, we ensure that every particle of spice adheres perfectly to every inch of every single chip's surface. The tumble is a gentle dance. As the chips roll through the spice cloud, they become fully enveloped in a jacket of flavor, ensuring a consistent taste in every single bite. Microscopic precision delivers massive flavor. Each chip is a canvas, and our seasonings are the paint, applied with the accuracy of a master artist using industrial-scale technology and tools. Diversity is the spice of life. From classic sea salt to bold chili or sweet honey glazes, our facility can pivot between flavors in an instant to satisfy every palate. The seasoned chips emerge, looking more appetizing than ever. The matte finish of the spices combined with the natural color of the sweet potato creates a visual feast for the eyes. Gentle vibrations move the chips toward their final destination. The seasoning is now locked in, and the chips are ready to be measured out for their journey to the customer. Complexity meets accuracy in the multi-head weigher. This mechanical brain calculates the perfect combination of chips from various buckets to achieve the exact weight required for every single bag. The speed is dizzying. In less than a second, the computer selects the buckets, releases the chips, and resets for the next bag, maintaining an incredible pace without sacrificing accuracy. A concentrated burst of flavor falls through the chute. This is the moment where the loose chips become a packaged product, ready to be sealed for freshness and long-lasting crunch. The armor of our snack is the packaging. High-barrier films are printed with vibrant designs, ready to protect the chips from light, moisture, and air during their long journey ahead. Engineering elegance at its finest. The machine transforms a flat roll of film into a three-dimensional bag in a continuous, hypnotic motion that never seems to stop or falter. Freshness is preserved through chemistry. A puff of pure nitrogen displaces the oxygen inside the bag, creating a protective cushion that prevents breakage and keeps the chips incredibly fresh. The final seal is made. With a precise application of heat and pressure, the bag is hermetically sealed, locking in the flavor and the crunch until the moment you open it. The line of finished bags grows longer every second. They march toward the final inspection, each one containing a portion of our hard work, passion, and advanced food technology. Safety is our absolute priority. Every single bag is scanned by X-ray and metal detectors, ensuring that what reaches your hands is 100% pure, safe, and delicious snack. We promise accuracy, and we deliver it. Any bag that doesn't meet the exact weight requirement is instantly removed, ensuring that every customer gets exactly what they paid for today. Traceability is key in modern manufacturing. Every bag receives a unique birth certificate, a code that allows us to track it back to the very field where the potato grew. The symphony reaches its crescendo. Dozens of machines work in synchronized harmony, creating a rhythmic pulse that powers the heart of this world-class snack production and distribution facility. Robotic arms take over the heavy lifting. With tireless precision and incredible speed, they organize the bags into shipping containers, ready for the global market's high demand. The boxes are sealed for their journey. Automated taping machines apply the finishing touches, creating a secure package that can withstand the rigors of international shipping and handling. Identity is applied in an instant. Shipping labels and barcodes ensure that each box finds its way to the right store, in the right city, at the right time.
Here, try this
The warehouse of the future is already here.
That crunch.
Autonomous vehicles glide
Perfectly
silently
seasoned.
across the floor, moving pallets of snacks with a level of efficiency that human drivers simply cannot match. Stacking is an art form mastered by machines. Every pallet is built to be perfectly stable, maximizing space and ensuring the safety of the product during truck and sea transport. A final protective cocoon is applied. Stretch wrap binds the pallet into a single, indestructible unit, ready to face the challenges of the logistics chain without shifting or breaking. The scale of success is measured in pallets. Thousands of boxes stand ready, a testament to the power of automation and the enduring popularity of our premium sweet potato snacks. The final departure begins. One by one, the pallets are loaded onto trucks, marking the end of their time in the factory and the beginning of their journey to you. With the cargo secure and the doors locked, the journey from field to shelf is almost complete. A world of flavor is now on the move across the highways. As the sun sets on the facility, our snacks head out into the world. It is a journey of thousands of miles, powered by precision and a love for quality. From the vast fields and high-tech machines, we arrive at the shelf. The final link in the chain is you, the customer, seeking a moment of crispy, delicious satisfaction. The moment of truth. Hear the snap of the seal and the rustle of the bag. The aroma of perfectly seasoned sweet potato greets you, as fresh as the day it was made. Look at the detail. The color of the earth, the precision of the cut, and the art of the seasoning all come together in this one perfect golden snack chip. That's the sound of quality. A clean break that confirms the perfect fry and the ideal cooking process we witnessed in the factory earlier in this amazing journey. This is why we do it. To bring people together through the simple joy of a great snack, made with the highest technology and the best ingredients nature provides. From the soil to the machine, from the oil to the bag, every step was a testament to the incredible symphony of modern food production and industrial design excellence. We take pride in our process, so you can take pride in your choice. Quality isn't just a word to us, it is a meticulously engineered reality in every bite. Next time you enjoy a crispy sweet potato chip, remember the symphony of machines that worked in harmony to bring that perfect crunch right to your very fingertips. we prepare for the next, committed to the same standard of excellence that defines our journey from the earth to you. Behind every machine is a team of dedicated experts, ensuring that the human touch and high-tech efficiency work hand in hand to produce the world's favorite sweet potato chips. The factory never truly sleeps. Even in the quiet hours, we are preparing, cleaning, and refining, so we can start the symphony all over again at the break of dawn. It all begins with a single sprout. Nature's miracle meets human ingenuity in a never-ending cycle of growth, innovation, and the pursuit of a perfect snacking experience for everyone. Innovation is our constant companion. We are always looking for ways to make the process faster, better, and more sustainable, ensuring the future of snacks is even brighter today. Our facility is a beacon of modern industry. Powered by the sun and driven by data, we are redefining what it means to be a responsible and efficient food producer. We don't just care about the crunch, we care about the content. Our snacks retain the vitamins and minerals of the sweet potato, making them a choice you feel good about. From the youngest to the oldest, the joy of a good snack is universal. Our mission is to put a smile on every face, one crispy sweet potato chip at a time. Even the byproducts of our process are managed with care. The steam and heat are recaptured and reused, making our factory one of the most energy efficient in the entire country. Data drives our delivery. By knowing exactly what is in stock and where it needs to go, we ensure that our snacks are always fresh when they hit the stores. The heart of the flavor lies in the blend. Our master tasters spend months perfecting the spice ratios that make our sweet potato snacks stand out from the rest. Our name is a promise of quality. When you see our logo, you know you are getting a product that has been treated with the utmost care and precision, vigilance at every turn. Our human experts are the final guardians of quality, providing the oversight that ensures the machines are always performing at their absolute best every day. As the day's production winds down, we take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey. Millions of chips have been made, each one meeting our highest standards of excellence. The journey continues into the night. Across the country, our snacks are moving closer to your home, ready to be part of your next party or quiet evening. Versatility is part of the charm. Whether enjoyed on their own or paired with your favorite dip, our sweet potato snacks are the perfect companion for any culinary occasion. Making memories, one crunch at a time. We are proud to be a part of your family's moments, providing a snack that is both healthy and incredibly delicious to share. The journey doesn't end with the last chip. Our sustainable packaging is designed to be recycled, ensuring that our impact on the planet is as light as possible. From the heart of the earth to the height of technology, the symphony of machines has completed its masterpiece. It is a journey of passion, precision, and pure flavor. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Discover the perfect crunch for yourself. Taste the future of snacking. Taste the excellence in every single golden bite.